Hello, babe.
Yeah, hey, honey, you still out there?
Sure am. Going for a new record tonight.
Oh, well, you're missing the kids' huge living room fort that they made out of blankets and stuffed animals.
Oh, man. I always miss Fortnite. Damn it.
No, you're really not missing much at all. Trust me, it's a circus in here. But I miss you.
Oh, I miss you too, honey.
Come home to me.
I'll be headed that way shortly.
Oh, hey, Malcolm, Mary called again, actually.
Is everything all right?
Yeah, I think so, but, Jerry walked out.
Oh, Jesus. I better call him then.
Yeah, I think you probably should. I mean, it's got to be, what, 3 in the morning over there? I hope he's all right. Okay, honey, well, hey, just get home soon, okay? I love you.
I love you too. Bye.
Hello?
Jerry, my main man. How you doing, buddy?
Doing alright, I suppose. Feeling a bit under the weather.
Yeah, man, that's no good. Me? I just ran 5 miles. Feeling pretty tired. Plus, some fuckhead stole my water bottle out of the bushes.
Gotta stop leaving your bottle in the bushes, man.
Yeah, no doubt.
I'm pretty tired too. Just got out of the office.
Wow. What time is it there, man?
It's about 3.
Hey, are you and Mary okay, Jer?
Yeah, doing alright. Just got into it again.
Oh, Jesus, man. Have you two tried counseling yet?
Just not on the budget right now, but we're working on it.
You know what I think? I think you need to come back to Seattle. You gotta be miserable there in Boston.
It's not ideal here, but we're making it work.
Hey, you still flying in next week for the high school reunion?
Yeah. I am.
All right. I can't wait to see if Stacy is still hot. Hey, remember when she got caught in the locker room playing ski slopes with both Chad and Kyle Moretto?
Some things are better left forgotten. Though, officially not going to the Vegas thing tonight, so thanks.
I'm sorry, man. You know I got your best interest at heart.
Same to you.
All right, man. I'll let you go. I gotta get home and get ready for bed myself. I'll see you at the airport, okay?
Oh, Malcolm.
Yeah, Jack? Everything okay, Jerry?
Yeah, shit. I just forgot what I was gonna say.
Okay, pal. Good night.
Malcolm?
Oh, hey, Jerry. What is up, my man? Oh, yeah. Mary was looking for you. She's right down the hall.
What's going on?
Dude, go to her.
No!